Hello, and my name is Zane. I am 9 years old and I like to travel. And I like to play video games. And this project will involve random numbers and a dice, or two random dices. The guidelines for the game is each player will pick a team, either one or two. And then after, you will have to shake the microbit and then wait for the microbit to give you two random numbers. And then whatever number was the highest, the microbit will show who won. And then you just repeat for every single game you do. And this is the code used for the project.
All right. So can you just go to the code now?
Yep. Well, I don't have the code up, but picture
On the
it.
editor. On the editor you have, right?
No, I don't have it up at the moment. I don't have it.
Okay, we can open it on the editor, right? Say the last class I told you how to open that or edit the code that you have done. Can you open that?
No.
What do you save? Did you save it?
Like the picture or just the code itself?
Just the code on the editor.
I saved it into like a file or something, but I don't know where I put it though.
Okay, do you remember what name did you save it with?
No, but I'll try to look for it.